Hi guys, welcome to Erica's Joyful Oven, and today we're making cassava pone. Cassava pone is a rich, somewhat sticky and dense pudding that is made with cassava, coconut, pumpkin and lots of hearty spices. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 3 cups of finely grated cassava, 1.5 cup of finely grated coconut, and 3/4 cup of finely grated pumpkin. Next, add 1/3 cup of softened unsalted butter. And now for the warm spices, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of spice, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of clove powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And as we continue to build flavor, we'll add half teaspoon of finely grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, add 3/4 cups of brown sugar and half cup of condensed milk, and this is going to make it perfectly sweet but not too sweet. And now I'm going to mix this together until it's well combined, and all of my ingredients are room temperature, and so the butter is going to mix in evenly. And I'm doing this, everything has been grated by hand using the very fine side of a grater, and this gives the best texture. But you can, to save time, put it into a fruit processor. It's just not going to give you as fine a texture as if you grated it by hand. Place the mixture into a lightly greased baking dish. I am using a 9x5 inch, but you can use a 5-inch square dish to give you a slightly thicker result. Now, growing up in a Spanish home, we had cassava pone quite a lot. And rather than smoothing the top of the surface with a spatula, we would take our hand and create these little indentations throughout the top of the cassava pone, and that just somehow always gave it the best results. If you wanted even deeper browning, you can add a little extra condensed milk on your hand while you did this. And this cassava pone is going to bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour or until golden brown. And there you have your finished cassava pone. Now this is so delicious. It's such a decadent dessert, but it doesn't feel like it because of all of those warm spices. This is so warm and comforting. It is perfect for an evening snack. I know you guys would love this recipe. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you do, or feel free to message me. And be sure to like and subscribe to Erica's Joyful Oven on Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget, check out my new website, joyfuloven.com. I'll see you guys next time for another delicious recipe.